In this video, I will be showing you how to use Monica AI Copilot for Google Chrome. Let's get started. First, I click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the Google Chrome browser to open the Settings menu. I hover down to Extensions, then click on Visit Chrome Web Store. Once the web store loads, I click into the search bar at the top and type in Monica to look up the extension. When the results appear, I click on the first option, Monica All-in-One AI Assist and Smartest AI Agent. Next, I look over to the right side of the screen and click on the blue Add to Chrome button. A confirmation pop-up window appears asking to add the extension, so I go ahead and click Add Extension. I wait a brief moment for the download and installation to complete. The extension will finish setting up, and a new window will automatically open up introducing the tool. I go ahead and close the tab to return to the previous page. I then open a new blank tab in Chrome to see the tool in action. Now, I click on the extension's puzzle piece icon in the top right menu, then click directly on the Monica All-in-One AI Assistant icon to open it up. A new browser tab opens up to load the Monica tool panel. I navigate over to the right side of the window and click on Sign In. A small Google login pop-up window will appear, so I click the button to continue with my account. The page verifies the credentials, logs me in, and begins loading the main dashboard interface. Once the layout finishes displaying, I can see the various options available in the sidebar. I spend a moment scrolling down the extensive list of different AI models on the left side, checking out all the options that are now at my disposal. With everything fully set up, I am ready to start using this tool directly within Google Chrome. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.